Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install a Snapchat as an application here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up any of our favorite browser here in our Windows. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any of the browser that is present or available in your Windows or computer that's good to go. So in my case, I'll be using my Chrome. So here at the bottom search bar, please type the browser that you want to use. And once a best match would appear, click on Open to continue. The moment you've to click on the open, you would be redirected to the window of that specific browser that you have opened. Here, once you have seen a search bar there, you need to type for Snapchat. And the moment you've typed that, click on enter to proceed. So you would be redirected to a list of result which is about Snapchat or which is related to Snapchat. And here we need to proceed with the first option which is under the Snapchat website where here it contains a link indicating less social media, more Snapchat. So click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you just have to wait until the Snapchat would be ready for you. And at the below of that, you can see there are version, which is an updated one, which is Snapchat 2025, which is this year's version. Okay. So here you can log in to Snapchat. Okay, you just have to indicate your username or email address here. Just type it here, or you can use phone number instead to log in. So click on logged in and you would be able to log in or use your account in Snapchat. Okay, so once you have opened this window, you need to proceed at the upper right side of the screen. You can see there are three dots beside this user icon. So click on the three dots to customize and control Google Chrome. And you need to scroll down and locate your cursor here, which is cast, save, and share. The moment you've located your cursor here, this left side would appear a list of options where here you need to click on this installed page as application. So click on it and the moment you click on it, this small window will appear which it asks you to install this page as an app. So this app's open in a new window the moment you click on it. So here, before you proceed on installing the application or the Snapchat as an app, all you need to do is you need to rename that first, okay? Since name the name that we have accessed is pretty long, so we need to rename that. Okay, so in my case, I'll be renaming this Snapchat for easy access, okay, to identify it easily as well, okay? So the moment you've named it, you can now click on install. And the moment you've clicked on install, a new window would appear, which means that we have successfully installed our Snapchat here in our Windows 11 PC as our application. So you can now close the window and as well as the Google Chrome browser or the browser that you have opened. And there we have that. We can now see the Snapchat is being added here, a shortcut in our home screen. Okay. And let's check if it's being added as well in our settings under the list of the applications that are present in our window. So here we can type for settings. At the bottom search bar, type for settings. Or to easily access settings, you can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard. And by that, you would be able to bring up your settings. So here at the best matched, click on the settings, okay? Or you can simply double tap to it to continue. Let me just close this one, this notification, so that we can focus on this settings window. So here at the settings, look at the left side of that. There is a list of options. Go with apps to proceed with installed apps where you can see all the applications that we have in our Windows. So here, let's check if it's being added under the list of apps here in our Windows. So we need to scroll down and locate for it. So you can see it here, this being added as an application, okay? So this is good, especially if you want to take a picture using different effects. Snapchat offers a lot of features that we can use or that we can access here in our PC or laptop, okay? So let's click the three dots and you can also uninstall it if you no longer wanted it, okay? But I would recommend you to install the Snapchat since it is one of the mostly used application tool if we want to have filters or if you want to access filters, then you can use your Snapchat, okay? So you can also message your friends here in the Snapchat. You just have to add them and you can also use this to message them or to notify them, okay? So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.